What's up guys, Ben here, BP Performance. I'm here today with my 1984 Fox Body Mustang drag car, and we're gonna do a cold start. Real quick, we got a tree cut down up front, trailer, 2 Corvettes, Mustang all had to move. I got it started last night. It took forever. Cranked it, got it started. I left the electric water pump off so I could let it warm up so it would move because it's got the wrong carburetor on it. It's got a Pro Systems, I don't remember what the model is, 878 CFM carb. This motor does not need an 878 CFM carb on it. It's way too small for that. So I got to get like a 7 or a 750 double pumper, stick that bad boy on, but it's 20 degrees outside, so I don't really want to spend the money on a carburetor when the car sits outside and doesn't move. Gonna get it started. It'll start, it'll move, but it takes a while. I'm not gonna let you guys sit there for 5 minutes listening to me crank the car and finally start up. I'll figure it out where I'll pitch you guys in and you can hear it crank and boom. But I'll get you guys set up and we'll hear a cold start. 5M carb on it, and it's only got about 350 horsepower. Smallest motor in a drag car you'd ever see. It's probably running 14, but nonetheless, it doesn't like starting. Pro System, I called him and he's like, yeah, that's way too big for that car. So I'm taking that off. I'm putting a 750 on it, see if that works, but we'll see. But I gotta let it run for a couple minutes, turn the water pump on, and then we're gonna drive it back up front. See you then. Driving this car is a hoot. I think it's got a little bit of ice in there because the temperature gauge keeps rising. I got the water pump and the fan on. The shifter is a pain in my butt. I haven't tied this plate down yet, but it's Precision Performance product shifter. It's real nice, but it kind of sucks when back this thing up because I don't know if it's gonna make it. Tight there. It's got a Flaming River manual steering rack in it, and it's tough to do one-handed. I don't have any other mounts set up in this car yet. I'm gonna climb my ass out. Take steering wheel off. So there you have it. I mean, started, ran, got a little hot. Should have let the water pump turn on a little earlier, but no big deal. Definitely warm in here. Just broke my plastic piece even more. But there you have it. I mean, it's a cool car. It's cold starts in about 45 minutes, but no big deal. The other two cars running too. I just wanted a battery in the C4 to charge up. It doesn't stay charged over the winter. So no big deal, that's done. C3, I'm just charging the battery just cause, but here they are on the line. I got a dent side in the garage, another Corvette in the back garage, Camaro in the back garage, and then we have the K5 and 3 tractors out back. So we got a little bit of a collection here with my trailer. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like this stuff, and I hope to bring more videos out on the Mustang soon. Thanks.